we have the Lotus Pro Series Carboflush formula, designed for use during the final stage of flowering. Containing a blend of soluble potash and sulfur, this unique formula is scientifically engineered by California medical growers to help eliminate excess minerals that build up in the root zone and within your plants. This perfect flushing agent not only removes the excess nutrients stored in your plant and grow mediums, but also acts as a catalyst for flushing blooms in the final phase of growth. This blend contains readily available carbohydrates in the form of glucose derived from maltodextrin, a microbial food source designed to stimulate microbial growth. This helps your plants produce their most up to the final days of flowering, giving you a clean flush and a healthy harvest. The consistency of our nutrient powder is close to that of kinetic sand and may appear moist at first glance. This is due to the complex nature of our nutrient blend and is a sign of the potency of our product that is geared towards the strongest and most quality harvest possible. Our Lotus Pro Series Carboflush powder is designed to flush your plants while still providing the necessary components for microbial activity, essential in producing the most natural and healthy harvests imaginable. Thank you for watching, and thank you for letting us help you grow strong. My name is Jeff Day with Grow Strong Industries, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in.